Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. In this tech tutorial video, we're going to teach you how you can save your presentations and boards on Miro as a template to use them for your future projects and boards as well. This is super helpful if you regularly work on similar layouts, workflows, or brainstorming setups and want to save time by reusing your existing designs. So let us dive into this. What you want to do, guys, is navigate to the board you would like to use as a template. Unfortunately, there's no built-in free feature that allows you to save your entire board or whiteboard presentation as a reusable template. I've checked all of these options here, and as of now, there's actually no direct way to save full boards as templates in the free plan. But don't worry, there's a simple workaround that lets us achieve the same result. So what you want to do is use a frame as your board area, and later save that frame as a template. Let me just delete these example frames here, frame 4 and frame 3, so we're working with a clean setup. And after that, simply use frame 1, just like that. Let me use it so that there's no other frame interfering. Now, you can add all kinds of elements and items to your frame. Sticky notes, shapes, text boxes, diagrams, or anything else that you'd like to include in your custom reusable layout. Everything inside this frame will be part of your template. Once your frame looks the way you want it, simply right-click into your frame and select Save as Template here. After that, you'll be able to save it as a reusable template, so the next time you start a new project, you can just pick it from your saved templates list instead of rebuilding everything from scratch. However, guys, with my current membership plan, it's not possible to save templates since that feature is usually available for paid or team plans on Miro. But technically, that's how it works if your account includes access to templates. Now, here are a few extra tips and insights to make the most out of this feature. Tip 1. If you're using the free plan, you can still duplicate a board and use that copy as a manual template. Just click on the board options in your dashboard and select Duplicate. Rename it something like Project Template so you can reuse it anytime. Tip 2. You can also share your custom templates with teammates. This helps maintain consistent design standards across your organization. Tip 3. Use clear frame titles when creating templates. For example, brainstorming layout, project roadmap, or meeting notes template, so it's easy to identify later. Tip 4. Consider adding placeholder text or example content in your template, like insert title here or add key points, which makes it easier for others to fill in their own content quickly. Tip 5. If you're on a business or enterprise plan, you can even manage shared templates under the admin center, giving your whole team access to standardized frameworks. And that's it, guys. That's how you can save your boards and presentations as templates, even if you're using a workaround method. Hope you enjoyed this video, got some real value from it, and learned something new today. If you did, make sure to like this video, subscribe to the channel, and hit the notification bell so you don't miss future Miro tutorials and productivity tips. We'll see you next time on our channel. Happy creating and customizing your templates.